And the moment of truth is here. Welcome to my channel. This is 1200C HD Harley Sportster, and I want to show you this. If I can't find 35mm here, this is, you can see I've been changing the fork oil after, of course, eventually have sanding down to mill grit the forks using some spray to pass them with a coat. Nothing of aluminum, this is clear coat. And to take off the front forks now, I've used this guy, which I want to show you. What I did is take painter's tape, covered everything with it, and it works like a charm. Took me a while to get it right, but I got it right. So you can go ahead and do this. I used the rag, didn't work. Had to take off the lens cover. These are the screws for the lens cover, 6mm. So let's go about taking it off. I hope you guys can see this. Let me do my best. I took all the pressure off. Tread lightly. You don't want to scratch anything, leave marks, or worse. I went to a Harley dealership and I got from David Moss his recommendation, which is don't go beyond velocity and viscosity. So keep it in. Wow, I don't want to break an arm. So I'm going to keep this low this way. Adjust open. Let's see. This is the dangerous part. Wow, it's a lot of rust. That's another video. I'm gonna have a good time by myself trying to put this back on. Scared to move forward. Don't want the spring to pop out. This is an oily rag. Maybe it's a bad idea. Let me know in the comment section if it's a bad idea. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.